create a vibrant and dynamic holographic runway fashion show. The event is to unfold in an expansive, futuristically designed space, illuminated with the glow of neon lights and digital projections that paint the walls with abstract, colorful patterns. As the audience settles, their anticipation builds, their conversations a mingling murmur under the pre-show ambience music that hints at the energy soon to be unleashed. The lights dim, and a spotlight carves a path along the runway. The first model emerges, casting a striking figure. Her outfit is a blend of cutting-edge fashion and digital art, shimmering with embedded LEDs that change color with each step she takes. This is just the beginning of a series of showcases where each model brings to life a unique theme, reflecting both current trends and futuristic concepts. The runway itself is a marvel of technology. Equipped with sensors, it interacts with the model's movements, triggering visual effects that complement clothing. A model in a flowing, reflective dress walks, and where her feet touch, ripples of light spread out, mimicking water. Another model sports a sharp, geometric suit, and as he moves, angular metallic shapes float up from the floor, mirroring his attire. Music, an integral part of the show, switches genres and tempos, synchronizing flawlessly with the pace and theme of each outfit. One moment, it's the deep bass of electronic dance music vibrating through the room as sporty, avant-garde athletic wear is displayed. Next, a soft, ethereal melody accompanies a series of exquisite, gossamer evening gowns. The diversity of the model lineup is striking. Men and women from various, each chosen for their unique look and attitude, bring their own flavor to the designs they wear. Their confident strides are more than just a walk. They tell stories, embody characters, and evoke emotions. This blending of narrative into the visual spectacle deepens the audience's engagement, making each turn on the runway a moment of personal connection. Midway through, the show takes a breath. The lights shift to a soft, starry glow, and the music lowers to a whisper. A holographic display takes center stage, projecting stories behind the collection. The designer's inspiration, the craftsmanship of tailors, the journey of materials from organic origins to runway-ready pieces. It's a celebration not just of aesthetic, but of process and passion. As the show builds towards its climax, the technology pushes its boundaries further. A stunning sequence features dresses that seem to float and dance around the models, thanks to a play between wearable tech and aerial drones. The crowd gasps and applauds as these fabrics move with a life of their own, creating a ballet of textiles and technology. Finally, as the show draws to a close, the energy peaks. All models return to the runway, walking together in a finale that feels like a festival, a riot of colors, music, and motion. The designers take their bows, accompanied by the engineers and tech teams who made the holographics possible, all receiving their due applause. The show should be a celebration of fashion, diversity, and technology, leaving the audience in awe of the spectacle. As the holographic runway show captivates the audience, we take a moment to step behind the scenes to meet the brilliant minds fueling this futuristic fashion revolution. In a dimly lit workshop, buzzing with the sound of soldering irons and soft keystrokes, a group of designers and tech pioneers are gathered around holographic displays and fabric swatches. Meet Aria, a lead tech fashion designer known for integrating bioluminescent materials into high fashion. Aria explains how her team uses organic light-emitting compounds that not only reduce the energy consumption of their designs, but also enhance their aesthetic appeal. Her latest creation, which just debuted on the runway, incorporates a smart fabric that reacts to the wearer's heartbeat, changing colors and patterns with each pulse. Next, we introduce Julian, a software developer specializing in AI-driven fashion applications. Julian's work involves programming the dynamic interactions on the runway. He demonstrates his custom-built software that maps out the model's routes and synchronizes their movements with the interactive floor panels and ambient lighting. This technology ensures that each model's presentation is perfectly timed with the visual effects to create a seamless spectacle. We also meet Dr. Alina, a materials scientist who has developed a new hyper-flexible, translucent fabric that can shift from opaque to clear in seconds. Dr. Alina shares insights into the molecular structure of the fabric and its potential applications, not only in fashion but also in fields like healthcare and aerospace for its adaptive properties. The segment highlights the collaborative nature of this innovative venture, showcasing how artists, engineers, and scientists come together to push the boundaries of what's possible in fashion. Their shared vision for a sustainable, technologically integrated future of fashion not only dazzles audiences, but also sets new standards for the industry. As we wrap up our behind-the-scenes tour, the passion and dedication of these innovators are palpable. They remind us that the magic of the holographic runway is not just in the spectacle, but in the countless hours of experimentation, failure, and breakthrough that lead to each moment of awe on the catwalk. The future of fashion is here, and it's being written by these remarkable visionaries.
Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,